Number 6, overcommitment by the team. The development team takes on too many product backlog items. Very likely this is going to result in a spillover at the end of the sprint, and often the sprint goal will also not be achieved either. Try to understand the reason for this, why it could happen in the first place. Is this pure optimism instead of capacity planning? Is the team running into unexpected technical debt? Were user stories not refined well enough? Was the team trying to show its usefulness to the organization by being busy and taking on a lot of stuff? The problem with overcommitment is, while reaching out for ambitious goals is a good thing, it actually ruins a lot of the metrics that would allow the team to become better at what it's doing. For example, lead time and cycle time are really affected by overcommitment and resulting spillovers. My tip: take on less, focus on the sprint goal, just pull in new product backlog items the moment you will be running out of work after accomplishing the sprint goal. Anything else, any kind of upfront commitment, forecast, whatever, that you will not be able to deliver is an anti-pattern.